In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your Wix website. If you're building a site, sharing content with a select group, or simply want to keep things private while you work, password protection is a quick and reliable way to control who can see your pages. I'll walk you through the exact path in your Wix account and explain what each setting does so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website where you manage settings, content, and publishing. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the dashboard of the correct one before you continue so you don't accidentally protect the wrong project. Next, head to Settings. In the left-hand menu of your dashboard, you'll find a list of options. Settings is where Wix keeps most of the administrative tools that affect the entire site. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security. This section governs who can access your site and how your site handles visibility and protection. Within Privacy and Security, select Site Password. This is the dedicated area for turning on a site-wide password and managing the code that visitors must enter. Now, enable password protection by toggling the switch on. Turning this on activates a site-wide lock. From this point forward, anyone who visits your site will land on a password prompt before they can see any page. This is different from member logins or page-specific permissions. It's a simple gate for the entire site, ideal for works in progress or private showcases. Finally, enter a password for your site. Choose something strong and memorable, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Avoid using personal information or anything you commonly reuse elsewhere. Keep the password somewhere safe and share it only with people who need access. If you ever want to change it, you can come back to the same place, update the password, and your site will start using the new one immediately. And if you no longer need the lock, simply toggle the protection off to make the site publicly visible again. That's all it takes. With the dashboard open, settings selected, privacy and security accessed, site password set, the toggle enabled, and a password entered, your Wix website is now protected behind a single site-wide code. It's a simple layer of security that helps you control timing, privacy, and access while you build or share. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a protected site.